Greetings. This is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you this day. I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to talk about growing thyme seeds from seed. And I always agreed that it's best to grow your own plants than to buy it from, Home Depot or something like that. Better genetics, you can guarantee it. But these, so as you can see, these are very tiny seeds. Okay, so you have to. I put them on a piece of paper, white piece of paper, so I can see them, and then I'll put a couple on my finger at a time, and I'll sprinkle probably about 4 seeds per pod. Maybe a couple more here and there, maybe 1 or 2 less, but more or less 4 to 5 seeds per pod. And I place them. It's got to be real fluffy, good seed starting soil, and you don't want to press them in too much, and you want to barely cover them. You want them to be maybe a 1/4 inch under your soil, covered and loosely covered. And then what I do is I will spray it down with some our Kabloom that we have at Earthman Soil, and the good old seaweed extracts that are in there. Well, I'm gonna say help these grow or pop quicker than your normal amount of time compared to not using something with seaweed extract in it. And so they normally take 1 to 12 weeks to germinate, so this is going to take a while. But I will follow up on this, and I will have it. Oh, and by the way, when you germinate your thyme seeds, you should have them under lights or on the windowsill. They do require some sort of light to germinate, so just throwing that at you too. And keep it at room temperature, and that's pretty much it. When they pop, I'll give you further instructions, and we'll see how long it takes. But that's how you start thyme from seed. Here's the seeds. You can do it in seed trays, you can do it in a flower pot, whatever. But sprinkle about, if you could, maybe a 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart if you're doing them in a flower pot. And just keep the ground moist but not soaking, and it should be nice fluffy soil. And don't bury them. Only have them about a 1/4 of an inch at the most underneath soil being covered. So that's it. May God bless you this day.